In class, I remember looking at this boy's artwork. It was a drawing of either an umbrella or a giraffe. I can't remember which, but I was there thinking to myself, how did he do that? And that's when I realized I wanted to draw. On the same age, I remember recreating a figurine house. I remember this because it was during Christmas time and the house was decorated with Christmas ornaments. What I did was to draw a house, two houses, and then glue them together and stuffed it with extra papers. And my family could not believe that I did that at my age. At the age of 8 or 9, I remember drawing on cards for my friends for Father's Day and neglected my own. I was in grade 3 at that time. Around the age of 9 or 10, a teacher asked me to help her to draw on a chart, but at that time I could not draw big, so the task was given to another girl and I was so upset. But I eventually got over it and learned how to draw bigger. The same teacher asked me one day, what do I want to become? And I said an artist. I don't even remember how I know the word artist. Around the same age of about 9 or 10, I remember attempting to draw my cousin. And when it was done, it looked nothing like him, but I was still proud of my drawing. My first time attempting to paint was when my same cousin came over and I told him that I could paint. I had only a blue and brown acrylic paint at the time, and I was trying to paint a beach scenery. It was a total disaster. I was like, why does it look like that? I followed the picture, and from then I knew that I wanted to learn how to paint. Someone once asked me, what do I want to become? And I said, an artist. And they said to me, artist does not make any money. It's best to be an art teacher instead. And from then on, when I was introducing myself in school, I would say that I am Karine and I want to become an artist or an art teacher. In high school, I sat by the window because there was a fish tank in the center of the school, and fishes are my favorite animal. I remember just looking through the window and started to draw the plants and the fishes and the tank, the whole scenery on a piece of paper. I even showed my teacher what I had drawn, and she said, "This is very good. You love to draw?" And I said, "Yes." Art classes in high school felt like free session. I could not wait for art class. I had so much fun learning and creating new things related to art. In grade 10 or 11, I was taken to the Edamale College of the Visual and Performing Arts on a trip, and I felt at home. That's when I knew that I wanted to do art for the rest of my life. In college was when I realized that I love all art forms: music, dance, drama, all art areas, jewelry, ceramics, graphics, you name them. I wanted to do or try everything. I didn't know that I love mixed media painting until after college, when all I could think about is creating artworks with different mediums, different materials, trying new things, getting texture in art, and so on. That's when I knew that I wanted to do mixed media. a lot of mixed media paintings. I wanted to start YouTube about 4 years ago, but I was not sure what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to do something related to art, but I was not sure what area I would mostly focus on. And I just got up one day, say I'm just going to do an artwork, post it on YouTube to just understand what it is like or see what it's like to post on YouTube. And that's when creating artworks with cheap materials came about, and me being a mixed media artist